Hi, hello. How are you doing? So today I'm going to show you a chatbot that I made within Go High Level and some automations. What it basically does is when someone send an SMS through all the channels, all the 9 channels that we have: Facebook, Instagram, GMB, and all the other channels that we have, live chat, chat widget, right? So whenever someone is sending an SMS, right, through any of these channel, and if they have not booked any appointment in the past, right, if they are not our customer, they are the first time talking to us, knocking us on our social media profiles, then I have created these automations to handle all of those things. Also DR, that's where I'm working right now. Anyway, so what happens here is that in this folder I do have 3 different workflows. So these workflows, what these workflows do is that it will handle the conversation when someone knocks, right? So it will try to collect at least a phone number or an email address, because without the phone number or email address we cannot communicate with them further, right? So the first thing what it does is when someone is trying to knock us through our social media platforms or live chat or chat widget, it will ask them for a phone number, right? So if the person tries to ask different questions or say something else, then it will answer the questions, and then it will ask again the phone number. So you can see that we do have these channels here: chat widget, Instagram, DM, GMB, WhatsApp, FB, right, Facebook. So all these channels, whenever someone is replying, we are making sure here is that their email is empty and that they don't have the tag autopilot. So because they already have the tag autopilot, that means they're already talking to the bot. So last appointment should be empty as well, so we don't want to bother with someone who has already booked an appointment, right? So here you can see that we are asking for an email address, and then we are basically asking them almost like 3 times. So there is we are adding one value, like we have a custom field where we are adding a value each time. So there are a lot of details. I don't want to bother you with all the details. I'm going to show you the workflows here, right? So this one for all the paid leads. That leads are coming from Facebook, Instagram ads, Google ads, all the ads, right? And this is where we do have the chatbot. So chatbot starts, and then these are all the channels that we have the chatbot going on. Let me show you quickly how it works here. Right. So basically when they are replying through SMS or call or chat widget, right, any of these channels, I have selected all of these channels here, right? So it's going to work basically for all of them. Then we are sending this data to our Zapier, which is basically a webhook here, which is sketching the information, and it also has everything, like all the information. So if you go to ChatGPT here, we have this prompt here where we also have custom data, where we are receiving all this information from clients, right? And then we are sending this information back to Go High Level, right? And you can see everything is here, and when they are interested in booking, and then there is AI booking bot, which is booking the appointments. If they are not interested, then it just stop the bot, and someone from the team will take care of the conversation. Yeah, that's it. So let's test it and see how it works, right? So this is basically a page where I connected it. It's just a brand new page. I'm gonna say hi, and then it's gonna say thank you for contacting, can you give me an email address, right? And then once we provide the email address, it say something. It's saying that, hey there, hope you're having a good day. By the way, we can always change this these styles of the conversation here we have, right? We can always change this message. Please provide an email address to continue the conversation. So once I provide an email address, it will say that it will basically ask me how can it help, right? And then basically it will navigate the conversation, how it works, and then it will book an appointment for me, right? So there is a slight delay because that's intentional. We don't want to interrupt the conversation if the customer is sometimes people respond like twice at the same time, so there's like we have added like 10 seconds of delay. So it's saying, hi Ishtiaq, how can we help you? And I'm saying like can you create a funnel for us, right? And then basically it's gonna give me an answer, and then it will basically it will ask me a few qualifying questions that we have added there, right? So let me show you how all those things works here, right? So everything here is custom values. If you go to the custom values here, so in the custom values here, these are all the answers, right? Answers which we will get from a form. We do have a form, and when you're onboarding a client, the client will only fill out the form, and then they will just this field will just automatically be populated, right? Yeah, and then the bot will be ready automatically. We don't have to do anything. Absolutely, we can help you with that. Are you currently seeking an IT solution for the business? Yeah, basically this prompt is designed to provide IT solutions. So if these are like the qualifying questions. So if you go here and check the qualifying questions here, you can see the qualifying questions here. Currently looking for IT solutions. Do you have a budget? Are you the decision maker? And then have you used this type of service before? So these are like for the qualifying questions. Now we can always modify it. We can always change the qualifying questions based on the business you have, right? Great. Do you have a budget set for the services? It's asking these questions. I'm gonna say yes, I do have a budget, right? These are like very general. So basically what it's gonna do is gonna continue like this, and then it will book an appointment for me, right? Yeah. That's all I wanted to show you in this project, and let me know. This is just to prove that I can work with Go High Level and ChatBot and APIs, APR, or any other things that you may need in. Alright, so if you like it, my name is Mike, and just knock me. If you know my email address, you know it, and then you can also knock me on Upwork. Thank you.